Hello beautiful, and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you how I did this set of nails, and also I will be showing you a different way to fill in your acrylics. So I'm starting off with my nails. They look like this. They're not too bad, however I did need a fill and I wanted to change the design on my nails. So as you already know, a lot of us, we have our kids at home and the monomer smells quite strong. So I wanted to fill in my nails using a different way. So for that, you will be, of course, removing any gel polish that you might have on your actual nails. And then you will be needing primer, acrylic, this one is clear, and you will be needing a top it off from Gelish and something to scoop it up with. The first thing that you need to do, of course, is to apply your primer, and then you will be applying this top it off polish on your nails like so. Okay, make sure not to touch the skin. I did touch my skin at some point, but I'm giving you heads up. If you don't touch your skin, it's gonna be easier to clean everything up. Right after that, you will dip it in the clear acrylic, and you are going to be doing this for each one of your nails. Once you're done with all your nails, you're gonna have something that looks like this, and then you will be curing for 60 seconds. Right after that, I will be dusting off any excess product, and you will be repeating the same steps on each one of your nails. And for me, I went ahead and did it twice, and this worked for me. It gave me the thickness that I wanted, but you can always repeat it more than once or twice. Then I went ahead and cured it for 60 seconds, and this is what I ended up with. I'm gonna go ahead and dust it off, and the feel is there. Like I said, I did touch a little bit of the skin on some nails, and I'm gonna fix that right now, because if you leave that product there, of course you're gonna get lifting and it's gonna look bad. So I went ahead and reshaped my nails with a nail file like this one, and I used the block to buff them, and pretty much that worked for me. I do have to say that I did like this other strategy of filling in my acrylics. Now I went ahead and worked on the design. For that, I went ahead and used this color. It does have golden glitter. I will be again putting the color somewhere on the screen, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on each one of the nails, and then I will be curing it for 30 seconds. Now I wanted some nail art, so I will be using some foils. So yeah. For my nail design, I will be using this Macard kit. It comes with the foil and also whatever this is to get the foils to stay in place. So practically you go ahead and apply the foil glue, cure it for 60 seconds. You have to cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, if you don't cure it for 60 seconds, those foils are not going to glue to your nail. So you want to make sure that you do follow the instructions that come in the box. So I went ahead and I pick out whatever I wanted from this strip of foil. Now you do notice that on the one nail I do have some golden butterflies. I didn't like them, so I went ahead and removed them. So disregard that part. But here I'm just showing you how I apply the foil. Once I was done with that, I went ahead and used some of this top coat. This one is from D&D. I went ahead and cured it. Now I do have a review on this mini lamp and I am in love with this thing. Okay, if you do have an accent nail, you can just work on that particular nail. And in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and cure that top coat, and then I will be using the Mia Secret resin to apply my rhinestones. So as a final step, I went ahead and applied one more coat of this clear top coat and I cured it for 30 seconds. These are the results. Well, my friends, I hope that you like this video, and like always, I will see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.